Okay, today we're going to do some outdoor breathing. So sometimes you just need to stop, take a minute, catch your breath, and literally focus on your breath and nothing else. So you need to find that zen inside of you and just be able to breathe and relax. So I'm going to show you 3 different breaths, and each breath we'll do 3 times. So 3 breaths, 3 times each. So the first one is a 4-7-8 breath. So that means that we breathe in, our inhale is for 4 seconds, hold your breath in for 7 seconds, and then exhale for 8. So 4-7-8. This is great to help reduce anxiety. It's really good to help relax you. And if you're having trouble falling asleep at night, this is something you can do while you're trying to fall asleep to help put you to bed. So if you can find yourself in a sitting position, you want to be relaxed through your body. So place your hands on top of your thighs, relax, let it all go. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, and exhale for 8 seconds. So we're going to do this again. So catch your breath here, find that normal breathing. Inhale for 4. And exhale for 8 seconds total. And if you can, purse your lips on the exhale. That helps with blowing out all of the carbon dioxide. So last time, inhale for 4. And that exhale for 8. I feel relaxed already. Okay, let's do the next one, which is great for increasing your lung capacity. So if you have trouble breathing, if you are trying to increase your lung capacity, this one is great for doing that. So again, you'll be seated. You'll bring your hands behind your head, and you can do the equal number of seconds inhaling as you do exhaling. So hands are behind your head to really open through the chest. And we're gonna do 7 and 7. So inhale for 7. And then again, inhale for 7, exhale 7. And purse your lips on that exhale. It's like you're making a kissing face. So, but your lips aren't touching. So last time, inhale 7. And that was your relaxing breathing. This last one is called diaphragmatic breathing. So this one helps you kind of tune into your body. You can do this laying down with your knees bent and a pillow under your head. I'm going to do it sitting today, but you're going to put one hand above your chest close to your heart and the other one below your rib cage on the top of your tummy. And this is to expand your breathing. So first you're going to take a big breath in through the nose, and you want to feel your body expand with the air through the chest, through the ribs, and through the tummy. And when you exhale, the stomach will flatten, and then the rib cage, and then the chest. So think the air goes into the body, and then the air comes out through the body. So we're gonna do this together. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. And again, if you need to take a breath between these, that's okay. You want to catch your breath. Never hold your breath with this. The point is to relax you and take the air in through the entire body. Fuel your body with the oxygen. So again, big inhale through the nose. And exhale, tummy flattens, and let it come out through the chest. And last diaphragm breathing here. So big inhale. And that was your diaphragm breathing. I don't know about you, but I feel super relaxed. If you want to do any of those breaths again, bring them into a stressful day. Just stop in the middle of your day, take a breath. You don't have to do all three. You can do one at a time. You can try all three, but they're really helpful to just ground you whenever you've had a stressful day with family, with work, whatever it is. Those are your breathing workouts for the day.